Asian squats. They've been getting very popular on YouTube. I've been watching a number of videos on it because I looked and I thought, whoa, I need to learn a little bit about this. And actually our one of our workers, Mike, has been using this technique and had great success improving his hip. Yes, hip mobilization. But we're going to show you and talk about there's 4 specific instances where you must stop doing this if you don't want to hurt yourself. We'll get right to it.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, so we're going to talk about the Asian squat, and it's just been brought to our attention that this is very similar or the same as the Slavic squat, which is new to me too. But either way, this position right here is what we're looking at. We've got, you know, end range knee flexion, a lot of flexion in the back and in the hips. That back, we want to keep it straight. The heels should be down on the ground, and evidently you want the heels flat. And if you're good at this, you can feel comfortable like this for quite a long time, minutes or whatever. But you can use something like this. They recommend to hold so that you can get your heels flat. You can hold it like this so you have weight to counterbalance it. You may want to put something on your heels. Now, I'm going through some of the details on this, but that's all I'm going to do. It doesn't matter where you're doing this, what phase you're in. If you've been doing it for years, if you feel one of these symptoms, you need to stop. And it's as simple as this. If you do this and you start to feel sharp pain in your back or anywhere in your buttocks, and then you need to stop. Your body's telling you.
Immediately.
Yep. Don't think, well, I'm going to get through it, stretch it out, and by the time I'm done, in another 5 minutes, it'll get better. Don't take that risk.
Also, Brad, I would say if you have osteoporosis or osteopenia, I would not do this.
So in other words, weak bones. Typically, it's older people with that, something you probably are aware of.
A lot of females.
Yep. Exactly. The next thing, and this is a big red flag, if you're doing this and all of a sudden you start to feel
symptoms down the leg.
Yep. So symptoms could be numbness, tingling, burning, a sensation of cold water, anything going down the leg. That's a big red flag. You need to stop doing it.
Possible disc problem.
Yeah, very good possibility of a herniated disc, and that's just going to make it worse because it pushes the disc in a direction it does not or should not go.
What?
What was so funny about that?
Well, you slipped the word in there.
What did I say? And the next scenario you really want to watch out for is, let's say you're doing your squat, your Asian squat.
Feels fine.
Feels fine. Everything's going good. You may be here for a few minutes. And then you get up. And then once you get up, you start to feel like it's hard to get up.
A catch.
Maybe pain in the back. Or even over the next 5 to 10 minutes, you start to feel pain or numbness.
Or for the next couple of hours.
Yes. And I was going to get right into that. It may be the next few minutes or over the next 24 hours. If something happens as a result of doing that over the next 24 hours, back pain or pain down the leg, that's going to be a red flag.
Stop.
Is that stop?
Yep.
Okay, there you go. You're going to stop because you do not want to get a disc injury as a result of that, because that is a position which can irritate a bulging disc.
You've been warned.
Yes. Other than that, go ahead, Asian squat all you want, mobilize the knees, the back, the hip, stretch things out all you want. Have fun with your squatting and be careful.